Hey, welcome back my dear friend, and I hope you learned something new about organic traffic method. And don't just follow again and again just uh, paid traffic method. You should need to build organic traffic channel. If you want to stand in the marketplace in the long term, you should need to build organic traffic channel. Without building organic traffic channel, no anyone follow you because people just so many people, millions of people doing affiliate marketing, but they only doing scam of people. They want to make few little bigs, little dollar and little money. But if you serious about this business model, you should need to build your organic traffic channel. Like you can build your YouTube channel, you can build your personal brand, and you can build your traffic on the Facebook and Messenger marketing. So now if you choose messenger marketing, this is the best video for you. We are going to explain how you can build your messenger marketing. So I am I was remember when I was starting my messenger marketing, that time I don't know about nothing. What is the messenger marketing, what is mini chat, and what is other tools to provide, and how I can create a follow-up sequence, how I create follow landing page. But I learned about it how messenger marketing work, and I have built a 2k mini chat subscriber, and I am shocked because I have already 6k email, 6000 email, but I'm not generating a lot of money. I was generating only 2k 3k per month, but I was building my messenger marketing. Then only messenger marketing I had making 6k just once. So this is my story. But how you can build your messenger marketing list. So I'm not creating so many videos how you can create messenger marketing, how you can build list. But my best friend and my best business partner he created a complete entire course about messenger marketing. And if you follow exact same method he teaching on the inside of their course, you will definitely start making affiliate commission within 1 week. This is my guarantee because I did. And you should need to follow exact method. And how you can build everything, we are going to computer and explain you what he teach you about messenger marketing. So we are going to explain everything how you can build messenger marketing, and what is the most major benefit you are if you building messenger marketing in messenger list, because it is different list with like email marketing, but you generate so many revenue once you build this kind of list. So move the computer and show you everything. Okay friend, so now we will explain you how you can build your messenger list, because this is necessary and this is my favorite affiliate marketing free traffic source. And now, so first of all, how you can build, what tools you need and what method you need. So now first of all, you can see best tool what I'm recommending you, it is mini chat, because you can build 1000 subscriber free of cost. You don't need to pay any single amount of money. So now like something this, and what is the best thing about it, we will going to explain in later. So you can see you can connect your just go to connect your Facebook page, and and you can create a post and landing pages, little bit different, but you can build. So how you can build, last moment. So you can build 1000 free traffic list, and we will talking about how you can this is a pros and cons, like something you can see. First of all, you can build 1000 free traffic free subscriber, and I have noticed in my experience, if you able to build 1000 truly and real targeted people list, then you can make approx minimum to minimum $3000 affiliate commission per month. This is a guaranteed. But your 1000 people, you should need to build only targeted audience, don't need to any other uh, type traffic. Your 1000 active members, active traffic, you will promote any kind of affiliate offer, you will make approximately 3000 $4000. This is this is complete guaranteed because I have done it, and once you follow this method you definitely make. But it is depend on yourself how you can you can improve and how you can create that system. And second, you don't second pros, you don't need any landing page builder. Yeah, you don't need to go click funnel, you don't need to do on any type of, so like something you can see. If you want to create landing page, simply coming on the mini site and click the growth tool, and once you can see so many variations. You can set page takeover and button and box. You can see click the landing page, and here you just change like something, hey you hey like something, click the button below and you can make a lot of and something like this. You know later how you can make this kind of landing page. Once click someone, send to message, that person join your list, and so that is important and better than email marketing. Why I recommend you? Because email marketing, for affiliate marketing, some if you need huge traffic, you need huge list, but you don't need on here any kind of huge list. If you make only 1000 subscriber, you can start making so much money. So this is my experience. It is better than email marketing. And next next thing I have noticed, open rate is very high. 70 90% people open your message, because anyone active on the Facebook and your message directly going on Facebook Messenger of your audience. So everyone active, and once you send your message, your audience directly open and they click and they will going to buy any kind of offer which you want to promote. And cons, something like this, you should need to follow the Facebook guidelines. This is it most important, and this is the most, because I know once my one page have been blocked. Just I did wrong, I did wrong, but you don't need you just promote any kind of offers, it is completely fine because Facebook changed privacy. And next thing, how you can build, the most important factors. So I have not created a complete course how you can build messenger marketing, but I have my friend who is the expert of messenger marketing, and once and he launched very soon near course about messenger marketing. And I know you do you know about something Gabe Otok, and he I have learned something new, and he teach me and I teach him, and he is fabulous guys, and every single method he teach you, it is truly and their personal experience, and he's a six-figure affiliate marketer, and he making so much money using messenger marketing. So now it is his method very simple. Click the link below and you can check now. But before that, you can see step 1, follow the training to get profit edict. He launched this course and no technical required. And step 2, active your free traffic. This completely free traffic and make money while you sleeping. Just his, but yeah, it is true. So you can see he launching a course about profit engine. You can see, but before accept this course, you should need to watch this video and learn something about it. And I know he messaging me many times on messenger, and he talking about me. You can see if you going and message, just a minute, and you can see his a real result. You can see every result he make only messenger marketing. This is a complete real result. You can see he make what approximately $2,200 just one single sale, 1,135 dollar just one single sale, and other signals. You can see, so this completely he is part of Warrior Plus, Zebizo and Clickbank. He making money every platforms. You can see this is real result, and you can click any button and access this course. It is just approximately $12 price, and you can see he's my friend. Just a minute, and he's all their student. Just a minute. I think this video is long, but okay, that is fine. You can see this is my friend, and his method is completely fine. And what you learn inside of course, you can see I have showing show you. And very most important thing, if you interested to make money through affiliate marketing, messenger marketing is the best traffic source for you. You don't need to go anywhere to learn something new from the YouTubes, from the other mentors, from the other gurus. Don't need, you just blindly follow, click the link below and access this course. And once you're facing any kind of problem, let me know. We will explain you how you can build your messenger marketing list. And first video, thank you, and second video you can see here, get 100% buyer traffic. And you can see this is teaching about Facebook method, and he also give you their his opt-in page, and list building about messenger marketing, and set up your engine, and how you can set your engine, and how you can create some brand logo and banners, everything. You don't need, if you don't have any technical skills, don't worry, he teach you everything step by step. How you can create auto mini chat, auto responder. You can see how you can create a page from Facebook, and you can see so many important knowledge he shared with you. How you can create a post, because you can see he created a post, how you can create free traffic audience, how you can build a free audience. So that is super and very important lesson. And next, how you can create opt-in page. I have explained. You can see growth landing page building. So I have already explained how you can, but he explained deeply how you can create landing page, and so many knowledge, and how you can create autoresponder sequence, automation sequence. You can see here automation sequence. It is like look like email marketing. If someone join your list, you can send email like 1 hour later, two after 1 day, after 2 day, automation. You don't need to create again and again. Once someone join your list, it is automatically work for you, completely free, don't need to pay any kind of money. And he show you how you can create automation. And next, some quick passive income. Give a free gift. You just give he offer you some gift free and some bonuses. And I also, if you access, I also give you complete complete messenger marketing other courses bonuses free of cost. You just message me, hey Subhash, I have access this person course, kindly provide me your bonuses, promises, bonuses. And he making so much money. And you can see this is cash STD video. So everything on here. And if you want to advance marketing, you just go to and access now. So that is super simple to build your messenger marketing. So now click the link below and go to and access now. If you have any kind of questions about how you can make a messenger list. Okay, so I have explained everything about messenger marketing on here, how he teach you and what he teach you. So click the link below and go to and join now. It is just little bucks, little bit money, because every real method no anyone can give you for free. So you should need to pay something money. But you do not think I am selling you something, because this is your way to build your traffic. Because if you do not interested to build your organic traffic, you should need to pay more and more for ad. So once you build your organic traffic, your messenger marketing list, you can promote any kind of offer again and again and again. and you will generate so many revenue. And still you facing any kind of problem inside of that course, and especially contact me, and I am supporting you to build your messenger list. So thanks for watching. Click the link below and go to join now.